Over the past 75 years, the People's National Party has achieved some fundamental milestones for itself and for our country. It is the first party of its kind which still exists in the English-speaking Caribbean. We are the party of adult suffrage, the party of Jamaica's independence, the party of regionalism, including West Indies cricket, the University of the West Indies, CARICOM, the CSME, and the Caribbean Court of Justice. We are the party of the new international economic order, the party of social legislation, workers' rights, women's rights, the party of inclusion and equal opportunity, the party of transformation of governance, making it more participatory, accountable, and responsible. It is to our credit that in recognition of the work we have done and the role we have played, that the PNP has won more elections, more seats and more votes, and served in government for more years than any other party since elections were first held in Jamaica in 1944. I am therefore proud to be Jamaican and proud to be the president of this noble movement. And so it is my indescribable honor to celebrate not just nationhood, but I would say womanhood as president of the PNP.